almost connected. That's pretty cool. Very cool. That was neat. Those bubbles are going to connect again. Yes? No? Okay. Yay, I got the bonus. 3 stars. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, the bubbles. Reveal. Oh my god, there's the grand. Oh my god. Okay, touch a bubble. Let's touch this bubble. 2. How many bubbles I get, I wonder? I don't know. Oh, come on. Grand. Oh my god, I would just die. Oh, darn. That was fun though. Oh my god, I would have died. Oh my god. You're all killing me. That would be spectacular. Oh, how fun. And now we have the 3 cauldrons. And I wonder what this is gonna do. Oh, like the wizard. Here we go. 10 free games with sticky bubbles. Oh, fun. And any more cauldrons, I get more games. That's fun. Bubbles. Come on, bubbles. Bubbles, bubbles. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. We want more bubbles. Bubbles, bubbles. Oh, another cauldron. That's cool. Oh, oh. I guess I had 3 cauldrons, maybe. Bubbles, bubbles. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. So whenever those swirlies fall underneath the bubbles, then I get those. That's cool. Very nice. One free game left. Here's my last one. Well, that was fun. Very cute. 4 cauldrons. Oh my gosh. 14 free games. Oh, and 5 extra. And we get 19 free games. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's craziness. Oh, I gotta get more bubbles. I need more bubbles. More bubbles. There you go. More bubbles. That's cool. Oh, another cauldron, but I need 2, I think. Oh, I need that 10. Oh. This is just really cute, this one. Oh yeah, the 10! And 5 more games! Awesome. Oh my god, this is a nice one. Oh my god! This one's too fun! Oh my. Okay, here we go. Another cauldron. 3. Need more bubbles. Come on, bubbles. Nothing. More bubbles. Oh. 11 more free games. Need more bubbles. Ooh, that's nice. Wow, that's awesome. This game's really being good to me. I like all the witchy kind of ones, all the nice magic ones. These are too fun. 3 and 3. 8 more free games. Oh my god, this is like nuts. 2, very good. 6 more free game. Oh, another bubble. Awesome, another possibility. 6. Oh, another bubble. More bubbles. Oh, nice. 12 more. Wow. That's craziness. One thing I'm doing a little different is I'm not betting the minimum. I'm kind of going to the next one up. That's what my friend Raven did too. She was playing like that. Sometimes it's a little rich for my blood, but for the most part, it's working out so far. We have to be careful because sometimes the slots are really tight. We're in the Bellagio right now. I'm playing Bubble Blast. This is a really cute game. Got a lot of different, winning features. Okay, so we got 1 more free game. Let's give me some swirls. Oh, there you go. 7 more. I'll take that. Nice win. This looks like I will have doubled my money at this point. Thank you. Thank you very much. Wow, that was really amazing. Thank you, Mr. Wizard. Big win. That's the fact. Look at him go. Oh, with all the pentagram coins. That's so funny. Oh my gosh. Look at him dance. Oh my gosh. He's too funny. What too funny. Wow, that was so much fun. Talk about putting another smile on my face today. Thank you. Nice of him. There we go. 10 free games with sticky bubbles. Oh, awesome. Tickle this one a little while. Oh, nice. 5 extra free games. Yeah. Oh, nice. Come on, 10. Oh, just missed the 10. Missed it again. Oh yeah, more bubbles. More bubbles. More bubbles. Lots of bubbles. I need the swirly bits. Come on. Oh, 5 more free games. And 4. Nice. Keep going. Oh yeah, that's awesome. so amazing. More bubbles, more bubbles, more bubbles. We need more bubbles. Yay! Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna take me back to where I started at. Love you guys. Oh, look at all them swirlies. Oh yeah. Fun swirly bits. Swirly bits. Oh my gosh. Well, that was fun. Oh my god, that's so fun. Nice win, 87. Oh, that was great. Thank you so much, Mr. Wizard. Oh, break my heart. Yes, thank you. That was nice of you. I so needed that. Aww. That's awesome. Bye-bye, $25 bubble. Oh, the mini, yes. No, I'm good, thank you. I needed you, Minnie. Awesome. Oh, the minis stay in there? Wow. That's awesome. These are sticky bubbles. Oh, nice. I like that. These bubbles don't go nowhere. 10. Nice. I need more bubbles. More bubbles, please. Oh yeah. We need more bubbles. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. The cauldron doesn't give you bubbles. I wonder if it's just random. Must have been just random. Big win. Yay! Yay! 28. Yay! Thank you very much.